Welcome to the channel. Today I want to talk to you about 9 reasons why the C70 is perfect. Reason number 1, it has built-in ND filters. There's 10 stop of NDs and you can access it quickly with the side buttons on the go. Reason number 2, it has built-in audio interface. It's capable of phantom power and it has 2 mini XLR. Reason number 3, there's a built-in monitor with waveforms, peaking, and false colors. You can dial in the exposure quickly on the go. Number 4, it's the perfect size. It's shaped like a cube. It attracts enough, but not too much attention. It's not too heavy. It can be carried around in a backpack all day. It's 5 pounds with the lens. It's able to be handheld for a long period of time as well. Reason number 5, it's a great price point. It's still $5,000, which is expensive, but doable in the grand scheme of things. With a $200 RF to EF adapter, you can use EF lens that you already have. On the flip side, it's RF ready whenever I decide to get some. Reason number 6, it has internal slow-mo. You can use one button to turn it on and off. It has 60 or 120 FPS, fantastic for B-rolls. Number 7, image stabilization. Yes, it's not mechanical, yet it's enough for most situations. I shoot mostly handheld and it works great. Reason number 8, long battery life. The one that comes with it is the BP-A30. It lasts about 200 minutes, that's over 3 hours. Third-party batteries such as the A60 last double that time. Great for traveling and not having to worry about charging. The battery size doesn't take up too much space as well. Reason number 9, you're able to shoot RAW with the latest firmware. I don't use it as my type of work doesn't require RAW, but it's great knowing it's there if I ever need it. I shoot my videos in 4K 10-bit 422 with a LUT applied when recording. So when I throw it in Premiere, the video is already halfway color graded, making my turnaround time much faster. The Canon C70 has everything a one-man team needs to get the job done. My style is docu, guerrilla, run and gun. For example, I had a client who wanted a yoga retreat promo video in Tulum. I packed everything into a think tank airport backpack and we went. In Tulum, you had to bike or walk everywhere. So it was a mission to even get to the location to shoot. There's not enough time for extra hands to do audio, gimbal, location scouting. It wasn't perfect, but we got the job done. Client was extremely happy with the results and so was I. There's a ton of things we coulda, shoulda done different, but we did what we could. Actually, there's one more thing. Reason number 10, the C70 takes 2 SD cards.